Is Goa turning into a haven for criminals? Are dowry murders becoming a disturbing trend in the state? The recent dowry murder at Kabdaram has once again shaken the entire state. This marks the second such incident in recent times, following a previous case reported in Vasco. For more details, let's turn to our reporter Ramesh Naik Raut.
जो काबदाराम हांगा जो मर्डर जाल्ली ही दिक्षा गंगवार हिजे आज पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्ट आयिल्ले कडेन आसा आनी ह्या पोस्टमार्टम रिपोर्टाक तिका तोंड धापून तिचो खून केलो वो क्लियर जाले कडेन आसा आनी हेच खातीर गौरव कटियार जो आसा तेजो घोव हेका पुलिसेन अरेस्ट केल्ले कडेन आसा. त्याच बरोबर दुसरे वटेन जे बायलांचो एकवट आसा हेणी केपेच्या डेप्टी कलेक्टर जो आसा हेका लेटर बरयले कडेन आसा की ही डावरी खातीर हेजो खून जाल्ले कडेन आसा आनी हेजेर तुवें सारको तांकां न्याय दिवचो म्हणून. हो जो गौरव कटियार जो आसा हेणें आपल्या बायलेक गोंयांत आपोवन हाडले आनीक तिचो खून केलो. हो सुद्दां खून जो करता आसतना खंय तरी कोण तरी एक व्हिडिओ शूटिंग काडलें आनी ह्या व्हिडिओ शूटिंगाचेर तो सापडलो. ना जाल्यार हो थंय बुडोन मेल म्हूण करून तो थंयच्यान फुजो मारता आसलो आनी सांगता आसलो की ती बुडोवन मेल म्हणून. हांगा जायत्यो तकली ज्यो आसात हे एक्यूज जे आसात हे लढयतात आनीक तितून भितर ही एक तकली जी आसा ही ताणें लढयली पूण खंय तरी देव त्याला कोण मारी आनीक देव हो न्याय दीत म्हणटात. ह्या न्याया हितून हो फसलो आनीक म्हणूनच आज कुंकळ्ळे पुलिसाचो जो PI आसा पुलीस स्टेशनाचो डायगो ग्रासियस हेणी बरें काम केले कडेन आसा आनी तेणी ह्या एक्युजाक रोखडोच धरलो पूण आज खंय तरी हेजेर बरी खड कारवाई जावची म्हणून आज बायलांचो एकवट जे आवडा वेगस आसा हेणें मागले कडेन आसा. आज तीच फुड्यांक विचारया की तेणी कशें करून लेटर केला आनी ती कितें मागता ती.
There is a new trend being set by people who are bringing their brides here to Goa and then trying to finish them. The same thing happened in the gas vapor case at Vasco, in which Anurag killed his pregnant wife and her mother-in-law by leaving the valve loose of the gas. The same way, this guy Gaurav has taken his wife to the beach and to a very famous beach in Goa, in our South Goa, where he tried to murder her in this unusual way. Both these cases are dowry deaths. Both the fathers, the brother of the lady who died in Vasco and the father of the girl who is killed in Kabdaram, have stated that there was a demand for dowry. In the second case, that is from Madhya Pradesh, one is from Uttar Pradesh, one is from Madhya Pradesh. Now the Uttar Pradesh one was demanding 12 lakhs dowry. The parents are not in a position to give any additional money. They had spent enough money on the wedding and the bridegroom had left the bride in Uttar Pradesh second day of the wedding and come down to Goa. It is known that when she came down on the 16th to Goa, January, he ill-treated her. On the 17th, he restricted her use of her phone to contact her parents by damaging the phone. So he destroyed evidence. Who knows what was there on the phone? But the police, the Kunkali police, is going to go into this very thoroughly.
Ramesh Naik Raut, Subhashish Govekar and Nikhil Jalmi for Goa 365.